everyone, and happy 4th of July. I'm going to show you how to make this fantastic red, white, and blue drink. I've got a large glass here that I filled with ice. First ingredient I'm going to add is a cranberry juice. Okay, about a third of the way full. The cranberry juice has 28 grams of sugar per 8 ounces, which is a cup. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to add a Gatorade Frost, and this has 16 grams of sugar per cup, and you're going to slowly add it here to the top. Shouldn't mix. And then we're going to do a Powerade with no sugar at all. And there you go. You've got this fantastic red, white, and blue drink. Make it festive with decorative straws. It's the difference in sugar that keeps these 3 colors from blending together. You all have a safe and happy 4th of July. Cheers! Thanks for watching.